Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite cocktails for spring, summer especially. We're going to do an Aperol Spritzer, my little version of it. So just kind of show you what we got going into it. It's a very simple cocktail. We have Aperol, which is just kind of an aperitif. So it's a little bit dry, it's a little bit tart. Normally you want to drink that before, say, dinner, before your appetizers. It just kind of gets the mouth ready, the stomach ready to eat a big meal. Secondly, we have our Prosecco. We are doing Cello Prosecco today. I really like this one because it's not too dry, it's not too sweet. I really like the kind of just middle of the road. I also have my simple syrup. I like mine to be a little bit sweeter. Like I said, if you're doing an aperitif before dinner, you're probably going to want to leave the simple syrup out. But since I like to do it beside the pool or just kind of hanging out, I like it to be a little more sweeter, like a cocktail. And then I've also got just a little dash of orange Angostura bitters that's going to go in. So, go ahead and start making her out there. I like to do the big old wine glass because I have a heavy hand. I pour heavy. So we'll start off with our Aperol. A shot of that. And this isn't very strong. It's 11% alcohol, so roughly the same amount as say a glass of wine. So we're going to do just a little bit of simple syrup, not too much. Like I said, this already has a little sweetness to it, but it's more tart and sour than anything. And of course, the little dash of orange bitters. And like I said, this kind of goes back to the tongue profile and just trying to round out the cocktail and make it just a full mouth flavor, mouth feel. And got some already chilled here. Basically just kind of top her off. The nice bubbles. Everybody enjoys that with rosé all day. Except this time it's Prosecco. And take a little slice of orange. For the freshness, the vitamin C. And give that just a little stir. Just to kind of get the syrup moved around. Don't want to mess with the bubbles. But that's about as simple as it gets. Enjoy.